It was a quiet Tuesday night. The apartment was perfectly still, but the victim wasn't.
The victim was a beautiful peace lily, once vibrant and full of life, now completely collapsed. I am the plant detective. I arrived at the scene and immediately started scanning for clues. The owner was devastated. They said they loved her, watering her every single day without fail. But daily watering is not love. In this dark apartment, it is a slow, silent drowning.
I had to dig deeper. I carefully pulled the peace lily from her beautiful ceramic pot.
What I found underneath the wet soil was a complete, tragic massacre. It was absolutely brutal.
Healthy peace lily roots should be firm, thick, and bright white. These were the exact opposite.
They were black, mushy, and smelled like deep decay. This is the work of anaerobic bacteria.
Anaerobic bacteria thrive in wet, oxygen-starved dirt. They literally eat the plant's roots alive in secret.
The official cause of death was obvious now. Complete suffocation leading to severe, fatal root rot. The water was the weapon used against her. But there was a silent accomplice in the room. The accomplice was the gorgeous, expensive ceramic pot. It had absolutely zero drainage holes at the bottom.
When water cannot escape, it turns the soil into a toxic swamp where roots cannot breathe.
But this victim still had a faint pulse. I immediately initiated the emergency plant rescue protocol.
Step 1. Amputation. I took sterilized pruning shears and aggressively cut away all the black, rotting roots. You must be ruthless here. Only the firm, white, healthy roots can remain attached to the stem.
Step 2. Disinfection. I mixed 1 part hydrogen peroxide with 3 parts water in a spray bottle. I thoroughly sprayed the remaining healthy roots to instantly kill the lingering anaerobic bacteria on contact.
I let the peace lily sit on a dry paper towel for an hour to heal safely. Step 3. The safe house. I grabbed a cheap plastic nursery pot with plenty of drainage holes.
I used a fresh, chunky soil mix filled with perlite to guarantee maximum oxygen airflow going forward.
I carefully repotted the survivor into the plastic pot, then hid it inside the decorative ceramic accomplice.
The rule is simple. When watering, take the plastic pot out, water it, and let it drain.
Never trust a schedule. Always push your finger 2 inches deep into the soil before watering again.
If the dirt feels wet, step away immediately. Only water when those top 2 inches are dry.
Weeks passed. With proper drainage, the peace lily fought back. A brand new green leaf finally unfurled. She survived the massacre. Subscribe to the Urban Leaf, because out here, your plants need my help.